So, hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, my voice is audible. Hello. Yeah, okay. Just a minute. I'll share the live link in the WhatsApp. Yeah, just a minute. Within 6 minutes, I'll start the live because audio is not perfect. So hello guys, welcome back to the live stream. So my voice is audible, everyone. Could you please reply to the chat box? Yeah, okay, okay. Screen sharing is visible, right? PDF. Yeah, so firstly, there is a batch two interviews will be happening for the 19th January, 20th and 21st. So how to prepare the interview in a right way? So what is the difficulty level and what is the easy level? Okay, everything I'll share you in this live stream one by one. So firstly, who are having the interviews, we are planning something for your batch compared to other batches. We are already shared the quick live interview questions with the candidates who are completed the interviews. So for this batch, there is a high chances for getting the repeated questions. So for example, there is a 3 days of interviews will be happening. Okay, there is a 3 days interviews will be happening like 19th January, 20th, 21st. So suppose for example, if you know about 19th January interview questions, then you can easily prepare for the interviews who are having the 21st and 20th January. Okay, so that's why you need to join this Instagram page. You just follow the Instagram page. We will post it quickly. Okay, we will post it every candidate interview questions, experience questions. Suppose for example 19th January 10 o'clock student interviews is completed, then we will quickly updated interview questions in the Instagram page. Okay, so that's the important thing to just follow the Instagram page. Definitely you will get the benefit for your interview preparation and everything will be free. Okay, uh, yeah, one more important thing was I'll share the Instagram link in the chat box. You just check the chat box. Once everyone who are having the doubts regarding interview, could you please like message in the chat? Okay, so now let us discuss each and every strategies, tips and tricks, everything will plan every day. Evening live session will be there. So if you follow that live session suggestions and tips and tricks, then you will get the benefit for your preparation. Okay, it's very dead easy interview. So we'll plan accordingly. So don't be panic towards the interview. Okay, just a minute. Mm. I'll share the live link in the groups. I have a huge doubt in my resume. I kept project where I recently did my did by joining a course. When they asked me, tell me about your project, should I tell about my college major project? I am 2022 passed out. You can tell your final year project. Don't mention recent project. You can mention final year project. Okay. I, yeah, still 50 members only joined the live session. What happened? Just a minute, just a minute. Yeah. So who are joining the live session now, you can see we are planning 3 days of interviews, right? So 19th January free sources who are completed the 10 o'clock, who are completed the 11 o'clock, that interview questions will be uploaded in our Instagram page. Okay, quickly. So you can follow the Instagram page. The Instagram page link in like just a minute, chat box. I'll share the Instagram link. Mhm. Yeah, oh, just a minute. So firstly guys, who are having the interviews on like 19th 20th 21st. Okay, so there is a 3 days of interviews will be happening. So in these 3 days, whatever the tips and tricks, what if you are already preparing for the interview, you can plan accordingly in the 3 ways. Okay, suppose if you are a 20th 20th January candidate, you need to take, okay, you need to take 19th January 10 o'clock slot, 11 o'clock slot, 10:30 slot, all slot interview questions you need to prepare. And you can note down repeated questions. Okay, you can note down repeated questions, then you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so that is the added advantage for you. And coming to the and coming to the 21st interview candidates, you need to take 19th January, 20th January. You need to take both 2 days of interview questions. You need to note down paper or else whatever the diary. Then you can identify repeated questions. You can note down repeated topics or else questions. Then almost 90% chances you will get the 90 90% chances you will get the 21st interview questions repeated. Okay, so like that you need to plan without any lazy. You just take all the interview questions for the 19th and 20th. If you having 21st January. Okay, suppose if you having 19th January, then you can take the morning slot questions like 10 o'clock 11 o'clock questions. Then you can prepare accordingly. Okay, so we will share the every slot questions quickly in our Instagram page. You can follow our Instagram page, it will be helpful for you. Okay, so one more thing I'll share you regarding important suggestions. Wait, I'll check your comment section. Just a minute. um, Bro, in my resume, I mentioned learning projects which I did after college, and I'm not mention college project because Python project based on and my domain and Java also, and I'll tell the project mention college. Yeah, you just mention your final year project. Okay, you just mention your final year project. Someone. My voice is audible, right? Someone will be putting the messages like Infosys interview experience, batch 3 mock test update. What the hell? Uh, just a minute. Voice is clear only. Bro, I didn't receive interview mail after successful completing the communication test without any issue. What is the problem? Yeah, you can mail them and they will reschedule your interview. Okay, you can mail them. How many members join in the YouTube live? Okay, 80 members will be there. 65 now. Um, yeah, I'll start the PDF and important suggestions. So first thing was 19th January candidates. Okay, 19th January candidates. You must you must prepare the project. Okay, the first question was project, guys. Okay, almost 90% repeated question, project. Okay, so you can note down. I'm asking few questions, so could you please respond everyone? My voice is audible, right? Whatever I'm telling. So my present like I'm present like I'm currently saying project related topic. So my voice is audible, right? Could you please respond in the chat box? Project. Hello. 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 The first question was project question. My voice is audible, right? 56 members will be there. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. My voice is audible. The first question was project question. In that project question, like you can imagine like what is the important topics they will cover in your project. So the first important topic was why. Okay, most of the interviews will be asking what is the advantage of your project and which software or else which programming language you have done. Like for some of the candidates will be mentioning MATLAB software. Okay, so some of the candidates will be using Java programming language, some of the candidates will be using AI related tools. Okay, so the almost if you whatever the whatever the concepts you have learned in your project, if you deliver your project explanation perfectly, 90% chances you are selected. Okay, 90% chances you are selected. So in that project explanation, interviewer will be observing your communication skills. Okay, you can note down the first topic, project question. Suppose if you like if you done final year major project, like what is the use, which programming language you are using. So you can prepare your final year project within 10 to 15 points. Okay, you can take the pen and paper, you can note down 10 to 15 points, whatever the final year project you have done, you just mention your project title, what is the advantage, which programming language you have used in your project, and also while doing your final year project, how your friends will be treating you, like as a suppose if you are a team leader, like your team leader will be giving the respect, or else how you handle the stress and how you handle your team members. All these questions will be sub part of questions in the project. Okay, so the mainly they are looking for the communication skills in that. Okay, mainly communication skills is very important while explaining your final year project. Okay, the first question is very important. Project question thoroughly you can practice in front of the mirror. Okay, even my communication skills also not good, but I'm trying to giving the information for your preparation. Okay, so that's like that you just prepare for your project thoroughly in front of the mirror, then you can understand what are the mistakes and how to overcome it and how to prepare accordingly. Okay, so these suggestions no one will be telling you like they are putting some video and they are doing just prepare like this, but I'm giving you like a small suggestions also. Okay, but you are also liking and subscribing my YouTube channel, so if I, as a responsible person, I need to tell simple suggestions also. Okay, okay, and so that is a very important. You need to maintain communication skills, project title, what is the use, and everything you need to do. Okay, so that is the important. And the next important question was, most of the interviewers will be different mindsets. Okay, different mindsets. Suppose if you overconfident, interviewer will be directly asking, okay, what is the weakness, or else what is the important or else like your memorable moment, like this they are asking, and they are wantedly stressing that point because they don't like your attitude. Okay, so don't expose yourself in front of the interviewer. Okay, don't expose yourself in front of the interviewer. Suppose if you feel I know everything, so interviewer will be directly rejection chances. Okay, so that's why need to maintain good communication skills, good calm and compose, then you will get the good response from the interview result. Okay, so that is very important. So the first question, project question, is completed. So is there anyone have doubts regarding the project? First question, is anyone have doubts regarding the project? Could you please tell me? Just respond in the just response in the comment section, like a live chat. If you have any doubts regarding final year project related question, because that is the most important question. Project accenture interview experience is very most repeated question is project question. Okay, the project question is very important. So is there any doubts in that? Could you please respond? uh, I don't know Hindi. Could you please like message in the English? Okay, I don't know Hindi. Do they ask for a code? No. They didn't ask write a code and give the like a pseudo code like that. They didn't ask any coding section, any codes in the interview. Is if anyone have doubts in the project related question? No. They don't even ask coding part. Even if you done final year project and can you repeat again, sir? Repeat means, so guys, I'll tell you again, who are joining newly. So first thing was, 19th January, 20th January, 21st January. There is a 3 days of interviews. So we are uploading the live interview questions 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:40 like that. You just follow the Instagram page. That is the first point. And second point was most repeated concepts we will cover in this live session. So what is the repeated topic? So 90% repeated topic was project. Okay, project question is very important. So after completion of the project question, let's move on to the next questions, and also let us discuss 29th December interview questions. Batch 1 19 members interview questions will be there. So shall I start that questions, experience questions? Shall I start? Could you please respond in the live chat? Shall I start the one by one experience questions? You can note down repeated questions. My voice is audible, right? No one will be responding. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Fine. I think you already watched that previous video, self introduction. Okay. So let us discuss regard. Let us discuss regarding this interview experience. So first thing was self introduction. Okay. while while telling the self introduction, what is the important suggestions for the self introduction? Also there is a important suggestions. You need to, okay, you need to maintain at least, okay, at least 3 minutes. You need to maintain good communication skills with self introduction. Suppose if your self introduction will be less, okay, you just maintain 1 minute. Okay, you just maintain 1 minute. Okay, you just maintain 1 minute self introduction with good communication skills. Suppose introduce your name, location, and what is the academic percentages, colleges, whatever it is. And after that you can give the sir, I did my final year project. I did my final year project in my graduation. And also just mention your skill set, and your, suppose if you have any internships, then you can mention, sir, I did an internship in a particular organization, so later I'm trying the other, you just mention the internship. I have done an internship, and I have completed some certificate related courses, and these are my skill set. And coming to my hobbies, these are my hobbies. And you just conclude the self introduction with a right manner. Okay, so that is a very important suggestions for the self introduction. Okay, next move on to the project. I'm already told you project related stuff. Okay, I'm already told you project related stuff. So project is very important. You just practice your project, whatever the final year project will be there. You just mention only final year project, not other project. You just mention final year project, not other projects. Okay, done. Okay, now have you done any internship? Suppose if interviewer will be asking, have you done any internship, then you can mention your internship, whatever the organization you have done. You just mention that internship. And also I have received the internship certificate also, sir. So in that internship I have learned so much interpersonal skills, and I have and my not and whatever the technical related topics I have discussed with my team members. And on that on that internship experience, it will be helpful. It's really helpful for me, and to get the real time experience. So, okay, you just mention like that. suppose if you don't if you're not doing any kind of internships after graduation, you just mention at least sir, I have done some certificates related. Suppose if you are not done any certificates related courses, and if you not done any internships, then you can mention, sir, I am preparing for the some other competitive exams, uh, or else you just mention, suppose if you want to the software job, you need to compromise the interviewer. Okay, on that time you just mention, sir, I have did some certificates related courses. I You can see whatever the important topic will be internship. If you're done, you can tell me live reality. Okay, suppose without any without any internship, don't mention, sir, I'm doing internship in this organization, because whatever the resume you have uploaded in the application process, that resume will be with the interviewer. Okay, that resume already have the interviewer. Okay, so only you need to prepare that resume questions only. Okay, during the application, whatever the resume you have uploaded, you can practice that resume only. Okay, don't whatever the topics you have learned for the new resume, so don't make any new resume. Just uh, mainly you can practice old resume only, whatever the application process you have uploaded the resume. Okay, so that is a very important. So next question is of if anyone does not listen in your listen in a project, how do you deal with them? Okay, you already know about this question. I'm already make these videos, interview experience videos. One by one, I'm uploading the in Instagram. Okay, in Instagram page, you will get the one by one interview questions. So what you have to do is just open the book and open the book and take the pen. Today night, okay, today night, at least 1 hour, you need to prepare self introduction project. Okay, only self introduction project you need to prepare. Okay, so tomorrow I'll make one video regarding some other questions, some other interview experience questions I have posted. So you need to check that questions, you can prepare, and you can note down accordingly. Okay, that is a very important thing. So next topic was self introduction is completed, project is completed, if internship or certificate, whatever it is completed. So after that, there is a next important topic was behavioral type of questions or else situational based questions. Okay, so whatever the situational based questions you have received, on that time you just give your best as a communication, like a conversation. Okay, don't tell the uh, unrelated answers, you just communicate with the your communication skills. Definitely that process will be going good. Okay. uh, yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask, because some of the candidates will be repeated questions posted in the chat box. That's the major issue. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for your kind help. So when we can expect the phase 3 accenture, brother? You will get the after completion of maybe February, I think. Okay, maybe February. You will get the next phase 3. The next how to join the interview. Okay, okay, okay. I'll tell you. Just a minute. So you can see screen is visible, right? uh, yeah, screen is visible, right? Yeah, you can see in the interview lobby, in the admit card you will get the candidate ID. Okay, in the admit card you will get the candidate ID. You need to enter the candidate ID. Okay, you need to enter the candidate ID and you can join the interview lobby. Okay, it's a simple, and you will get the interview link also in the mail. So automatically you can you can join the interview lobby quickly. Okay. Bro, tell me the best time slot for the 19th January. Yeah, morning time also good and afternoon also good. Suppose if you take the afternoon slot, then you can easily get the morning time interview questions. Then you can easily practice that questions. Okay. Yeah, 4 p.m. slot also okay. But 4 p.m. slot is some dangerous situation, because if the interviewer will be not join in the lobby, so only 5 o'clock is the last time. So you need to join before, you need to book the slot 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, that's enough. Okay, 2 o'clock or 12:30. Not don't book the slot for the 4 p.m., just book the slot for the 2 p.m. Okay. I booked already, brother. Yeah, yeah, that's not a issue, but you can attend the interview. Okay, no issue. 12:30 also okay. Yeah, I'm already told you here interview lobby join process. Yeah, you need to check your candidate ID in your admit card, and after that you will get the link for the interview. You just enter the candidate ID. Automatically some of the students will be redirected to the interview lobby. So you need to join, the interviews will be happening Microsoft Teams. Okay, the interviews will be happening Microsoft Teams. Today night 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, like a few interview experience questions will be posted in the Instagram page. Yeah, if anyone still not joining the Instagram page, so could you please join the Instagram page, it will be helpful. Okay, if it is possible I'll share the Instagram. Join the Instagram, guys, it will be helpful. 12:30 slot also okay. Sir, 10 a.m. slot, 20th January, okay. But 20th January candidates, we need to take 19th January every interview slot questions. 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, 2 p.m., 2:30, 4 p.m., 4. 3:30. Every interview slot you need to take that questions. You need to note down the, you can note down the questions, then you can maintain whatever the things you have to do is okay. You can join the Instagram page. It will be helpful in every candidate. We will posted one by one interview questions in the Instagram page. Today 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock you will get the interview experience questions, live questions. Okay, live 29th December batch 1 candidates will be getting. Is there any important update remaining because I want to leave this, got some work? No, brother. No, no, no. There is a no important update. Okay. I'll make one video. This is for the session for the interacting with the candidates. I'm telling them some important things. Do they ask you to show GitHub something, display your projects? No, 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 no. They don't even ask that GitHub or whatever it is. Okay. So don't be tension like that. Or if anyone wants to join the meeting, Google Meet, let us interact. I'll share the Google Meet link. Okay, don't misuse, guys. Don't misuse the Google Meet link. I'll share the Google Meet link. Actually, there is a lot of members will be messages towards the like process and all. So that's why there is a chat overflow also there. So I hope you understand. Hello, hello.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Bro, actually, I am from ECE branch student. I
Okay.
did the final project on VLSA,
Okay.
but I am interested in Java backend. So, what can I tell project in interview? I mean, Java Spring Boot I have done. I am confident in this only, but I am not confident in final year project. Can you?
Okay. Actually, interviewer will be asking, could you please mention your major project? Okay, whatever the major
Yeah.
project you have done. But
Yes.
during the interviewer question, you need to
Mm.
mention whatever the project you have knowledge. Okay,
Mm.
because interviewer will be don't know what is your major project openly. Okay, so you just mention, sir, I did this project as a major project. So you just mention during the final year also I have done this major as a major project. You can mention like that. There is a no problem at all because interviewer will be asking project question only, not other related things. So, have you really done this? This is a major project or minor project like that. Okay, they are asking, uh, mention your major project. Okay, as per
Okay,
your
okay.
good knowledge towards that project you can mention. Okay, I hope
Okay,
you
okay.
understand
Then
that.
I introduce myself. I mean, yeah, in that question, first question, I can tell only Spring Boot project. If he ask academic project, then I can. Is it okay?
Actually, yeah, I have like you need to tell to the interviewer, sir, as a, I am
Hmm.
ECA background. Suppose if they are asking regarding your you are done electronics related stream. So how you done this project like that? On that time you need to mention the VLSA project. Okay.
Okay, I will prepare, but not confident that much as the Java project. That's why.
yeah.
That I will prepare. I will prepare, but I'm telling.
They are asking like your project title and regarding sub questions like what is the
Yeah, basic questions
yeah, basic
I will.
questions. They basic questions only they ask because only 10 to 15 minutes interviews will be happening. Okay, then
Yeah, even I read about. I mean, what your role at that project time. Yeah,
yeah, yeah, we
that
can
that and
you
all
can
questions I will prepare. But deep, if we will go deeply, I can't. That's it.
yeah, yeah, but
That's the
don't
problem.
tell the interviewer I don't know sir like this. Just tell anything. You just speak to the
Okay.
topic. If you don't know that concept, then at least you need to try. Okay.
Okay, bro. Thanks
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the
Okay,
clearing.
okay, okay, okay. Bye bye. Is
Bro,
any
will they ask the questions from our resume? Like they will check our resume and they will ask something.
Yeah, yeah, they have your old resume, like whatever the application process will be happening during the apply, so that resume will be the interviewer. Okay.
Okay, bro. Will they ask deeply about the tech stack and projects?
Actually, based on the interviewer, you can divide the time duration. So, what is the time slot you have confirmed for the interview?
10 a.m. bro.
10.
21st Jan 10 a.m.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, right? So 10 o'clock to 10:30, there is a 30 minutes of time. Suppose if the interviewer will be good, they will be asking good number of questions as per your resume, or else as per your communication skills. They are just conversation between you and the interviewer. Suppose if the interviewer will be strict, then only they will ask a number of questions within 30 minutes, or else 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. Okay. It's
Okay,
completely
bro.
based on the interviewer, but you need to prepare everything for the backup.
Can we download our previous resume from the website? Is there any option like that, bro?
No, no, no. There is a no option like that.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
Thank you, bro.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm come from the core branch ANTC.
Okay.
Yeah, I have final year project was from the based on the core. So also I had added the my tech stack project in the resume, which focuses on the QA related, that is automation and manual testing related,
Okay.
and some basic about the Java also. So what do you think? Should I focus on the which academic project or this?
You need to mention your major project. Okay.
Okay. But I am confident enough in this, whatever the my QA project, which is currently done.
In your old resume, like what is the project you have mentioned?
So one project is from my final year academic project, and another two was one of them was during the internship that I completed, and another one is based on my tech stack.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's better to mention whatever the project you have good knowledge. Okay.
Yeah.
Because without any knowledge, if you mention the sir I did this
I have knowledge on that, but I'm not confident enough in my core core project, which is based on the car accident detection and reporting system.
okay, okay,
Really based on the LoRa module. I
okay,
don't know each about each component from that project. That's why I'm asking.
okay. Mm, you are CSC background or else computer?
EC, ANTC, ANC, ANTC, electronics.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Actually, this is a software job, right? Because
Yeah.
you just mentioned some like, sir, I'm a I'm a core background, but still I'm interested in a software technologies. So I have did this project also, and I'm suppose If they ask, only mention your final year major project. Okay, on that time you just mention your core related project. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And another question, if they ask me why do you want to shift from the Grover branch to the IT, so what will be the good response for that?
Actually there is a lot of answers will be there in the Google, but compared to previous students, you just mention, sir, even though I'm interested in software side, on that time there is a essential notification will be there, so my stream is eligible, so I have applied, and also I have did some software related project in my, as per my interest. So I'm pretty much interested towards to switch the IT, like this. Yeah, you just mention as for the flow. Okay. There is no particular answers for that situational based questions, because yeah,
To tackle it, na, yeah, every time whenever I face na, that question will raise.
yeah,
So
yeah,
they
yeah,
have to answer.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
So I have a question. As they're investing, as you told that they are investing in us, and what are the number that you can expect intakes from the second phase?
You are the batch one or else batch two?
That's true, bro. On 20th, I have interview at 11 o'clock.
Okay, okay. Actually, I'm already told you, companies will be investing for the money for your batches, like every batches.
Yes.
For the Hire Pro, they are giving the lakhs of monies in the Hire Pro platform, and interviewers, and there is a incentives. Everything will be happening. So even though the link will be expired, okay, application link will be expired, suppose who are receiving the eligibility criteria, that is a almost every candidate will be completed the exams, only few candidates will be there for the batch 3. So competition will be between batch 1 and batch 2. Batch 3 is the almost March. Okay, around March they will completed the next process, but batch 1 and batch 2 is the competition. So mostly there is a huge number of selections will be chances, because they are giving the interviews every candidate, okay, who are selected for the exam, even though rescheduled communication assessment and interview cancellation candidates also received this interview on 21st January. So there is a high chances for selection, but they will be counted, like how many questions they are asking and how many answers you are deliver, and your communication skills. Okay. So and also
Okay.
your loyalty towards the answer, because some of the candidates will be saying without knowing the programming language, they are mentioning, sir, I know this programming, like this. They are giving some lie questions, like lie answers. So you just mention loyal towards the interview. If you know the answer, you just tell the answer. If you don't know the answer, sir, uh, I have aware of that topic, but suppose if you are a core background, I'm a non CSC background, so that's why I'm not that much aware of the topics. So definitely in future I'll try to learn that topic, sir. But honestly, I don't know that answer. Like this, you need to, like, requesting form is very important during the interview. If you,
Yeah, understood.
yeah, if you argue with the interview, if you show towards the interview attitude, that's not good. Yeah, there is a 50-50 chances, brother. uh, no problem at
Okay.
all. Yeah, you need to perform well.
There's another question that I wanted to ask you, which is not in context to Accenture. Recently, I gave my Hitachi interview also. When and do you have any information that when are we going to expect the results of interview that happened on 8th and 9th January?
Actually, one of the candidate, Somesh candidate, will be selected through our page.
No, he has selected in the first phase, like on
Yeah,
January
yeah,
5th,
yeah.
he
First
got a.
phase, on that candidate receiving within 20 to 25 days. Within 20 to 25 days.
Okay, 20 to 25 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have the interview on 19th, 11:30 a.m. So I
Okay.
just wanted to ask you, should I need to prepare the technical skills as well, or else Should I go with the resume?
Uh, Firstly, you need to maintain communication and project self introduction. These three are very important for the essential, because just let us discuss some practical example. If any company conducting a communication round for the hiring process, they are looking for the good communication skilled persons, like even cognizant, even even Virtusa company, even accenture. So on that time they are mainly focusing on your communication skills. They are asking situational based questions. Suppose what is your memorable day and how you enjoy your college days. Like this they are interacting with you. Almost technical questions will be 1% of chances based on the interviewer situations. Okay, on that time they are asking regarding maybe some oops concept. These are the simple concepts, but there is only 1% chances. In the last time, in the batch one they are asking API related, AI related questions, and these are the some high demand technologies in the market. They are asking regarding regarding that topics. Okay, mostly communication, self introduction, project, what is the use of project and how you handle the project. These are the some repeated questions, mostly repeated.
Okay, actually, I have one more doubt as well. So in my resume, I've done a virtual internship from North America, Accenture through 4H.
Okay.
But while mentioning in the resume, I have mentioned it like a technology simulation. But actually, I learned the data visualization in that, regarding the data processing, data cleaning, and etc. So I'm little worried about that. Will they ask me, why did you keep like this? I mean, why did you mention in this way? I mean, will they raise a question like that?
Okay, in your resume, you are mentioning some other project, but you have done another project.
Yeah, no, in my resume, actually, I've mentioned, actually, it's a virtual internship work from North America Accenture via 4H.
Okay.
So, the work, the things I've learned from that was regarding the data analytics, like data visualization, pre-processing, and data modeling, and all of the things I've learned from that internship. But while mentioning, I've mentioned like I worked on the Java SQL statements,
Okay.
and I'm mentioned in that way. So, will that raise any problem? That's my doubt actually.
No, but your old resume, whatever the resume you have uploaded in the application, but interviewer having your resume. So on that time, you need to, if they ask, sir, you just cover the topic. Maximum they will not be asking regarding that some small issue. But if they ask, you need to prepare to convince to the interviewer. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
That's not a big worry about the topic, but you need to cover that topic. Okay, but mostly you need to prepare small important things. That's not a issue.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
So if anyone have doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, let's close this live stream. Yeah. Hello.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Someone will raise the hand. Navya. Hello.
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 Is the selection will happen based on interview or overall total performance?
No, brother, only interview performance, because in the exam every round is elimination. So almost you are getting the results for the every round. So why did they rejected in the interview? Interview performance is mainly important.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I think.
Hi bro, I have one doubt.
Okay.
Recently, I'm facing some technical issue with the communication assessment.
Okay.
So when I expect my communication round again, rescheduling
Communication.
assessment issue, bro. It was automatically submitted.
Okay.
So when I expect my rescheduling,
Reschedule the communication assessment will be happening like after interviews. Okay.
Yeah, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
Hello.
Actually, I have done in the academic project like Python with AI, but after the after the completion of the graduation, I have done a Java full stack course. I have more knowledge on Java full stack. I have done in the projects. I have done the project in Java. Should I go with Python or else Java project?
Yeah, like during the apply, like which project you have mentioned in your old resume?
Both the project I have mentioned. Why? Because most of the people said that major project compulsory we should apply in the resume. So that's why I have applied. I have mentioned the major project and as well as what I have done in the institute project.
Okay. But like they suppose if you mention two project in your resume, they are asking like your major project. Okay, if they ask your major project, then you can mention only you can tell to the interviewer only one project. Okay, sir, I know this project also. I'm also good in the Java also, but don't mention whatever the comfortable project you have so much knowledge, that project only you need to mention. Suppose if the interviewer will be asking, okay, you are mentioning the Java also, so could you please tell me the in this Java project what you have to done, like this you need to tell to the interviewer. Okay.
Actually, I don't know more knowledge on Python, bro. But I have done a major project as a Python with AI. I have more knowledge in Java. Should I mention Java project as a major project? And in Python, I have just basics. Can I say like that?
Yeah. Sir, I have basic knowledge on Python. So this is my role. Suppose if they ask, so you can mention your Java as a major project. Okay, no problem at all. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. Tell me, bro.
Bro, I have a doubt regarding
Yeah, you can ask.
Is there any chance to extend, bro? Is there any chance to extend the days to apply again?
For the Accenture.
Yes, sir. Accenture only.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
but
link
still,
will be expired.
yeah, when I see the portal, it is showing expired, so that's why I'm asking. Is there any chance to extend again? Because whenever I have recently, few days back, I have applied, I got expired mail, so that's why I'm asking. Is there any chance to open?
Maybe no, brother, because already many candidates will be like ongoing interviews, results pending, so very less chances. Maybe if they release the notification again, then that will be good. Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, someone Karthik.
Hi, bro. I have a doubt regarding, most of my friends were saying that they're even asking the DS related questions, or they'll ask us to write any code, or only the project related things. I just wanted to know that we need to only answer that theoretically, or practically,
No.
like we need to draw code.
After interview you can you can message me in the WhatsApp, say I'll tell you the questions, self introduction, project, and these questions will be very important, 90% repeated mostly. Suppose if they miss these questions, maximum they will ask regarding your project. What is, suppose if you mention I have done this project, this programming language, on that time they will be asking, okay, which technology you have used, and suppose in your opinion what is the like uh, current trending technologies, if AI will be booming the jobs and how you survive, these type of things, DSA coding questions, not at all ask. Okay, that is
Yeah,
completely for the cognizant.
okay. Thank you for the confirmation. I just wanted to know that thing, like whether they are only asking the theoretically or just they will be asking practical questions. So thank you, bro. Thank you once again.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, can we see the resume what we have applied in the during the application process?
No, that's not possible to show the like see your resume because it's not a superset. It's completely high pro platform. It's not possible. Uh, Maybe you
Bro,
just
that
there is a workday profile or else some login details they are giving, right? So you can check.
I saw it in Workday profile, but it was not visible, bro.
Okay. You don't know which resume you have uploaded for the notification?
I have multiple resumes, bro. I have applied for multiple companies. In that time, I was applied which resume I have applied to the accenture. I was in the somewhat confusing state.
Okay.
yes, yes, same issue, bro. So,
Okay.
Yeah, bro, same with me too.
Actually,
Because I
uh,
was changed the project to the company to the I was changed the project to resume, bro. That's why I was confused. In this company, they are asking most of the questions like based on the project, right?
yeah, 99.99% project is very repeated question. So just a minute, I'll show you the questions. So almost, so you can see the first experience, the project will be there. Okay. So and the next experience too. You can see the situational based questions. How was your day? Introduce yourself, and what type of food do you cook? These are the situational based questions because the if any company will be conducting the communication assessment, so that company will be mainly looking for the communication skills. So you can see the project related stuff here, like briefly explain any one of your project, and also what is the difference between team leader and a assistant team leader. So these are the some very important things, because if you join the software company, they are assigning one project, and how your behavior is very important, so that they will be looking for communication skills. And also see experience 3 also, final year project also there. Mostly 90.99% is repeated question is project related stuff. So here 15 to 20 minutes and explain about your project. These are the live interview questions. Okay, because students will be joining our WhatsApp group, they share the interview questions also. I'll share the you can watch our 3 to 4 videos will be there on the 29th December. Live videos we are uploaded for the interview happening, so you can see every question will be mostly project questions. Yeah. I hope everyone is clear.
Can you please share this PDF to the group in the group?
Yeah, sure, I'll share this PDF, don't worry.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, I hope everyone is clear the doubts and all. In the you can you can join the you can follow our Instagram page. Around 11:30 to 12 o'clock we will upload the some important experience questions in the Instagram page. Definitely it will be helpful. Is there any anyone have any other doubts regarding? Bro, I'm working in TCS from 3 months, but I want to switch the company due to non-coding role. I have an interview scheduled 21st January 4:30 p.m. slot. Will Accenture accept my 90 days notice period? Don't mention 90 days. Just mention I'm immediate joining like that. If you mention 90 days, how they will selected you, brother? Because within 45 days they will give the result and they will hire you. So how they will give the 90 days time period to join? Yeah, I'll share the PDF. I'll share the PDF. I think everyone is. have any other doubts, you can join the Instagram page. You can follow the Instagram page. Tomorrow we will make one clear video for the 19th January candidates and 20th January candidates and 21st January candidates. So every candidate will be watch that videos, definitely helpful, and real time interview questions also we will upload it in the Instagram page. So you can follow that Instagram page, because everyone has started the Instagram page, but we are recently lost our 33K followers Instagram page. So we are so much disappointed due to automation. Instagram page will be gone. So definitely this page also success. We are helping many candidates for free stuff. Yeah. After 22nd, okay, after 22nd to 31st, you can expect the 29th December interview results. Okay, don't be panic. Is there any chance to ask coding? No, there is a less chances, but you need to practice some basic level, add two numbers, fab two numbers, these topics. Okay. uh, I have only 5.88 CGPA, but some people are saying eligibility 6 or 6.5 CGPA. However, I received the eligibility mail for the exam. My doubt is, after clearing the exam, can they rejected me at background verification? Yes, there is a 50-50 chances, but mostly in background verification there is a rejection chances. Hemant, I hope you understand that doubt. Why you spamming that message frequently? I gave my communication assessment on 14th January. Will I get the interview or not? Because most of the candidates got the interview. Uh, Still, you didn't get the interview mail, because most of the candidates will be receiving the interview mail. Okay. Clear all the doubts. So you can left the meeting if you don't have any doubts. Okay. Some of the candidates. I'll end this meeting. I hope everyone is clear the doubts. All the best and wait for the tomorrow's video. Bye bye.